Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of the challenges in maintaining high customer satisfaction in a call center, organized across customer, operational, workforce, and technology factors for clarity. Let's begin with the customer-related challenges that influence customer satisfaction, or CSAT, in a call center. The first challenge is high customer expectations. Today's customers demand fast, seamless, and highly personalized service across every channel, whether phone, chat, email, or social. Even a single poor experience, such as long wait times or inconsistent responses, can drop CSAT scores dramatically and damage brand loyalty. The second challenge is complex issues. Some customer problems require coordination across multiple departments like billing, technical support, or operations. While necessary, these handoffs slow down resolution and frustrate customers, lowering satisfaction even if the issue eventually gets fixed. And finally, customer temperament plays a critical role. Angry, impatient, or stressed customers may rate their experience poorly regardless of agent performance or speed of resolution. Even when agents do their best, emotional intensity can still drive CSAT scores down. In short, customer-related challenges remind us that CSAT is not only about operational efficiency, it is also about managing expectations, simplifying complexity, and understanding customer emotions. Addressing these factors is essential to maintaining consistently high satisfaction levels. Now let's look at the operational challenges that directly influence customer satisfaction, or CSAT. The first challenge is high call volume periods. Seasonal peaks, unexpected outages, or new product launches often flood the system with more demand than agents can handle. As queues grow longer and responses slow down, customer patience wears thin and satisfaction drops sharply. The second challenge is inconsistent service across channels. Customers today expect the same quality of service whether they contact through chat, email, voice, or social media. When experiences differ, for example, fast resolution on chat but delays on email, CSAT scores suffer as customers lose trust in service consistency. And finally, longer wait times and abandonment are a persistent issue. Staffing gaps, absenteeism, or sudden demand spikes extend wait times, leading some customers to abandon the queue altogether. Those who remain often arrive to the conversation already frustrated, resulting in lower satisfaction even if the resolution is successful. In short, operational challenges highlight that CSAT is not just about solving the problem, it's also about how quickly, consistently, and smoothly the customer journey unfolds. Strong operations are the backbone of high satisfaction. Next, let's examine the workforce challenges that directly impact customer satisfaction, or CSAT. The first challenge is high attrition rates. When turnover is high, a constant flow of new agents enters the floor. These new hires often take weeks or months to reach the desired quality standards. During this transition, inconsistency in service quality is common, and customers notice. The second challenge is skill gaps and limited training. Agents who lack deep product knowledge, troubleshooting ability, or essential soft skills like empathy and active listening often struggle to create positive experiences. Even small gaps in knowledge or communication can leave customers dissatisfied, lowering CSAT. And finally, there's the issue of low morale and burnout. Overworked agents dealing with heavy queues and constant pressure may lose patience and empathy. Customers pick up on this, and even minor lapses in tone or attitude can turn an interaction into a negative experience, pulling CSAT scores down. In short, workforce challenges remind us that CSAT is not achieved by process alone. It depends heavily on motivated, skilled, and supported agents. Investing in training, coaching, and well-being is essential to sustaining customer satisfaction. Now let's turn to the process and policy constraints that affect customer satisfaction, or CSAT. The first challenge is strict escalation rules. When agents must seek mandatory approvals for refunds, cancellations, or exceptions, customers are passed between multiple teams or supervisors. Each transfer adds frustration and diminishes their overall experience, even if the issue is eventually resolved. The second challenge is rigid KPIs. Many centers place heavy emphasis on average handle time or call volume. While efficiency is important, focusing too much on speed often leads agents to rush through conversations, prioritizing closure over quality. Customers may leave with unresolved doubts, which lowers CSAT. And finally, lack of proactive communication is another key factor. Customers expect transparency when outages, delays, or service disruptions occur. If they discover these issues on their own, trust is eroded and dissatisfaction rises. Proactively informing customers shows accountability and helps protect satisfaction levels, even during service disruptions. In short, process and policy constraints show us that CSAT depends not just on agent performance, but also on the rules and standards organizations set. Flexible policies, balanced KPIs, and proactive communication are critical for maintaining customer trust and satisfaction. Let's now explore the technology and system limitations that impact customer satisfaction, or CSAT. The first challenge is disconnected systems. When agents are forced to switch between multiple platforms, CRM, telephony, billing, or knowledge bases, the process slows down. This lack of integration prevents agents from delivering seamless, fast service, which customers increasingly expect. The second challenge is system downtime. Outages, frozen screens, or sluggish CRMS add minutes to every interaction. Customers left waiting in silence or being asked to call back often leave with a negative impression, driving CSAT scores down. And finally, there's limited data insights. Without real-time analytics and customer sentiment monitoring, supervisors lack visibility into dips in satisfaction as they happen. By the time feedback is reviewed, it's too late to recover the customer's experience or coach agents in real time. In short, technology and system limitations remind us that customer satisfaction relies on strong digital foundations. Integrated platforms, reliable systems, and real-time analytics are no longer optional, they are essential to protecting CSAT. Finally, let's look at the external and regulatory challenges that shape customer satisfaction, or CSAT. The first challenge is compliance requirements. In industries like finance, insurance, or healthcare, agents must perform extra verification steps for security and regulatory compliance. While these steps are essential, they extend call times and may frustrate customers who expect faster resolutions. Balancing compliance with convenience is a constant challenge for maintaining CSAT. The second challenge is market competition. Customers don't just compare their experience against your organization, they benchmark it against industry leaders and digital-first competitors. If a competitor delivers faster, smoother, or more personalized service, customer expectations rise instantly. Meeting these heightened standards requires constant innovation and agility. In short, external and regulatory challenges remind us that CSAT is influenced not only by internal operations, but also by external pressures and industry standards. To succeed, organizations must deliver compliance without friction and stay competitive in an ever-rising customer experience landscape. Lastly, let's explore the feedback and monitoring issues that impact customer satisfaction, or CSAT. The first challenge is low survey response rates. Many customers simply ignore post-call or post-chat surveys. With such limited feedback, it becomes difficult to identify pain points, track recurring issues, or understand the true drivers behind satisfaction and dissatisfaction. Without enough data, decisions risk being made on assumptions rather than insights. The second challenge is the lack of real-time alerts. Too often, dissatisfied customers go unnoticed until their frustration surfaces in the form of complaints on social media or negative online reviews. By the time leadership is aware, it's too late to recover that customer's trust. Real-time monitoring and alerts are critical to catch dissatisfaction early and take proactive corrective action. In short, feedback and monitoring issues remind us that you can't improve what you don't measure. High CSAT requires not just collecting customer input, but doing it consistently, in real time, and in ways that allow quick intervention. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.